I once was lost in sin till Jesus took me in, and then a little light from heaven filled my soul. He filled my heart with love and he wrote my name above, and just a little talk with Jesus makes me whole. Now let us have a little talk with Jesus. Let us tell him all about our trouble. He will hear our faintest cry. He will answer by and by. If you feel a little prayer wheel turning, you will know a little fire's burning. You can find a little talk with Jesus makes it right. I may have doubts and fears, my eyes be filled with tears, but Jesus is a friend who watches day and night. I'll go to him in prayer, he knows my every care, and just a little talk with Jesus makes it right. Now let us have a little talk with Jesus. Let us tell him all about our trouble. He will hear our faintest cry. He will answer by and by. And if you feel a little prayer wheel turning, you will know a little fire's burning. You can find a little talk with Jesus makes it right. Now let us have a little talk with Jesus. Let us tell him all about our trouble. He will hear our faintest cry. He will answer by and by. And if you feel a little prayer wheel turning, you will know a little fire's burning. You can find a little talk with Jesus makes it right. Well, alright, alright. Just a little talk with Jesus makes it right. Well, alright. Just a little talk with Jesus makes it right. And you will find a little talk with Jesus makes it right.
Shouting on the hills of glory, shouting on the hills, shouting on the hills. There'll be shouting on the hills of glory. There'll be shouting on the hills of God. Oh, what a blessed reunion. Oh, what a blessed reunion. When we're together over yonder, there'll be shouting on the hills of God. There'll be shouting on the hills of glory. Shouting on the hills, shouting on the hills. There'll be shouting on the hills of glory. There'll be shouting on the hills of God.